Caustic soda, or sodium hydroxide, is one of the most widely used chemical compounds in modern industrial processing. With a pH of 14, caustic soda provides strong alkalinity in both liquid and solid forms, making it a valued compound in manufacturing, chemical processing, and water treatment. In the pulp and paper manufacturing, caustic soda is a vital delignification agent, essential for pulping wood fibers and improving paper quality. It is also widely used in textile processing, dyeing, and metal refining to remove impurities and enhance product durability. Caustic soda is also used both as a reactant and pH regulator in the chemical industry. Its precise acid neutralization capabilities make it valuable for producing detergents, soaps, and specialty chemicals. Similarly, in water treatment, caustic soda is essential for regulating pH levels and mineral precipitation, ensuring regulatory standards are met while protecting equipment from scale and corrosion. Beyond its technical applications, caustic soda delivers significant economic benefits, increasing production efficiency, reducing waste, and lowering manufacturing costs. As industries evolve to meet growing demands for sustainability and efficiency, caustic soda remains an essential component, driving innovations and processes that shape our modern world. For more insights on optimizing caustic soda in your operations, contact our technical team today.